Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best wood chisels that are available on the market for their true quality. These tools are essential for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Lanty 6 Pieces Professional Woodworking Tool Set. This kit is more than just a chisel set. It's a combination of tools designed to cater to a wide range of woodworking needs. Alongside 4 chisels in common sizes, 1/4, half, 3/4, and 1. You also get a double-edged handsaw and a coping saw with replacement blades. The chisels are made from heat-treated CRV steel, offering decent sharpness and longevity, while the saws are crafted from SK5 steel for flexibility and precision cutting. Design-wise, the chisels feature wooden handles that are easy to grip, and the set includes edge guards to keep the blades protected. However, the build quality leaves room for improvement, especially when compared to more premium options. With only a 1.0 star rating from customers, it's clear that this product has not lived up to expectations in real-world use. Complaints have centered around the chisel's tendency to dull quickly and the saw's lack of durability. This set might appeal to beginners or DIY enthusiasts who need an all-in-one starter kit, but it falls short for professionals or hobbyists seeking top-tier performance. The inclusion of 2 saws adds versatility, but the overall quality makes this kit feel more like a budget compromise. Pros include the variety of tools and affordability, while cons include questionable durability and poor user reviews. At number 4, we have the Mecher 4-piece wood chisel set. This set includes chisels in 4 essential sizes: 6mm, 12mm, 18mm, and 24mm, making it versatile enough for a variety of woodworking tasks. The blades are made from durable carbon steel and feature bevel edges for precise cuts. The ergonomic plastic handles are designed for comfort and control, reducing hand strain during extended use. A steel hammer end on the handles adds durability, making these chisels suitable for heavier mallet or hammer strikes. The build quality is respectable for its price range, with tightly connected handles and blades that resist loosening over time. Each chisel comes lightly oiled and equipped with a plastic edge guard to prevent corrosion and protect the blade. While this set performs well on soft and hardwoods, it's clear that the chisels are best suited for light to medium-duty tasks. Some users may find the steel not as sharp or long-lasting as higher-end options, but for the price, the Mecher set offers good value. This set is ideal for beginner woodworkers or hobbyists seeking a reliable, affordable option. It's also a good choice for DIY projects that require occasional use. Pros include the durable hammer end and ergonomic handle, while cons include the need for frequent sharpening and limited performance on tougher materials. Overall, it delivers solid performance for its price point. At number 2, we have the Hurricane 4-piece wood chisel set. This set is a favorite among DIYers and woodworking enthusiasts, featuring CRV steel blades with heat-treated edges for long-lasting precision. The beveled edges are set at a 25-degree angle, making them versatile for both softwood and hardwood projects. The chisels come in 4 common sizes: 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch, and include safety caps to protect the blades during storage. The design is practical and user-friendly, with high-impact PVC handles that are lightweight yet durable enough to withstand mallet strikes. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling even during extended use. Performance-wise, the Hurricane chisels deliver consistent results, making them a solid choice for tasks like paring, shaping, and cutting mortises. They're particularly well-suited for beginners who want a reliable set without breaking the bank. One downside is the lack of a storage case, which could make organization a bit challenging. However, considering the quality of the blades and the affordable price point, it's a minor drawback. Pros include the durable construction, versatile bevel edges, and ergonomic handles. Cons are the lack of a case and the need for occasional sharpening. Overall, the Hurricane set offers excellent value for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. Finally, at the top of our list is the Amazon Basics 8-piece wood carving chisel set. This set stands out for its comprehensive offering, including 6 chisels ranging from 1/4 inch to 1/3 inch, a honing guide, a sharpening stone, and a blow-molded storage case. The blades are crafted from heat-treated chrome vanadium steel, ensuring durability and sharpness. Narrow side bevels make these chisels suitable for detailed carving and precision work. The contoured wooden handles provide a comfortable grip, reducing hand strain during long projects. The included honing guide and sharpening stone are a fantastic addition for maintaining the chisel's edges, ensuring consistent performance over time. The storage case is well organized and keeps your tools secure and easily accessible, making this set a great choice for both professionals and hobbyists. What sets this set apart is its exceptional value. At just $28.91, you get a full-featured kit that's perfect for anyone from beginners to seasoned woodworkers. Pros include the wide range of sizes, included accessories, and excellent build quality. The only real con is that the chisels might require some initial sharpening out of the box for optimal performance. Overall, the Amazon Basics 8-piece wood carving chisel set offers unbeatable value and versatility, making it our top pick. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.